everybody, we're playing Mini Mania on a Tuesday. Sorry I'm a bit late, but I just was a bit late yesterday coming home and things. So we've got $40 to play with. So I've counted out $40 notes. I'm now going to put that $40 in here, and we've got $40, $60, $80 there plus the 100, so we've got 180. That's building really nicely, and that's going to go into travel treats, emergency travel expenses, debt, holidays, debt. So we've already played 4 games, so let's get going. So what we do is we turn the cards, start here, so that goes +1. Wild. What does a wild card mean? I did reprint the sheet. She says, I can't even see it. Dang it. Yes, I went and bought a new black cartridge, so I've got 3 weeks to use it up. But it was cheaper than buying a cyan colour for my other printer, because I got that out of storage thinking there would be ink left on it. And there was, apart from the cyan ink. So I'm not quite sure why that one's run out and the other one's fine. Anyway, so a wild card means move any amount from one tracker to another. So travel treats can go into holiday. I'm going to use the dice to mark where I'm at. So +1. Roll a dice. So we're getting used to this. So odd means move forward. So we're going to put the $1 there, and then we're going to go to holidays, roll a dice. So that's even, so move back. So we're going to put that there. So on this one again, +3. Oh, nice. So this is going into the holiday fund, but we have got wild cards and swap cards, -1. Roll the dice. So odds is move forward, so onto there. +2 into emergency fund. Travel expenses gets a -1. Oops. Roll the dice. Evens is move backwards. I will go to there. And then debt is going to see roll a dice. Let's get all these roll the dices out. 6 means even, so move backwards. Travel expenses, +1. +3. Oh, holidays is saying it. Well, I have got 3 weeks before I travel, and I'm thinking I probably will be on holiday for a wee while because I need to get things sorted. So even means move backwards. Wow. Look at that. So debt is going to get another 10. Oh my goodness, minus. So +1 here. Roll a dice. Odds is move forward. Yeah, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Here, -1. -1. Let's see if we can get a +2. There we go. We are sorted. So that's cleared that debt. In debt. +3 on the travel treats. This is looking good. But we haven't had the swap yet. Debt's not looking good. +1. Wild. Now wild means move any amount from one tracker to another. I want to put money in debt, but I also need some travel stuff. So let's move the emergency fund over to debt. Okay, so we're here, +2. Here, swap. Oh, so that means we've got to swap 2 piles. So let's swap these 2 because they're the same. And I need travel money. +3. Debt. Good. +3. Oh, nice. For Travel Treats. Emergency is going to get a roll the dice. So evens is move backwards. Emergency again gets +2. Yay, it gets some back. It has done well over the last few weeks. +2 in travel expenses. And swap. Okay, so swapping is one pile to the other. What should we swap? Let's swap this debt and this emergency because they're the same. Oh. And I didn't put the card on, so we're going to start back here because we've now shuffled the cards again. So we've got +3 for Travel Treats. It's a good one. Travel Treats is doing well. -1 in emergency. Dear. Travel expenses +2. +3 for debt over here. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And we're finished. I love this game. And it's a way of saving without knowing you're saving, which I love. Right. Let's just pile them up. And add them up. So debt got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it got 7. Oh, same as last week. Then we've got travel expenses, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same as last week. Looks good. Emergency, I don't think that it got 2. It's its worst week, but it did lose when it was swapped over. Okay, holidays. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that needed to do a bit better because it hadn't done very well. Debt has got 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. And then Travel Treats, which actually has done quite well. 1, 2, actually it's done hugely well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. Wow, that's pretty cool. So we've got 4 more weeks. So maybe I play another extra game in the week because I'd quite like to finish these before I fly, which is 3 weeks time today. And I move out of house in less than 3 weeks. So it might be I need to do 2 a week. So let's say if I do get that $100 that I've sold some refuge stickers for, if I do get that $100, I will play 2 extra games with it. And then we'll have 2 Mondays left. So that's me for now. Hope you enjoyed playing. Please check out Two Sister Bees, where you can get this as a free download. And also, if you look on Rainy Day April, she's also doing it. So it's a collab between 2 sisters. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.